Hello, this is Dan does some things, and this is officially a Subway Surfer channel, and you don't get any decision on the matter. Let's go. Okay, so okay. I dislike how slow it goes to begin with because it's like, bruh, I need momentum. Let's go, let's go. I don't got all day, man. This isn't church. What? Anyway. Oh no, I got boots. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So essentially, the thing you want to do is not anything I'm doing right now. Just don't do any of this. Okay. Skip the magnet because we're not Jewish. We don't need money. Make sure you're screen recording so there's a lot of lag. Don't forget to do that. That's the most important part. Okay. Oh, haha, I got a gingerbread man. Let's go. Okay. So this is basically the strategic move. It's called playing Subway Surfers. So what you want to do is you want to play Subway Surfers. Oh no, I'm not funny. Oh no. Okay, I missed the gingerbread man, but that's okay. It's a bit annoying, but that's about it, really. Stacy smile. Stacy's bad. No, it's kind of. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Oh no. Dang it.